Welcome! In this video, I'll walk you through how to hide Live Spaces notification content on your lock screen in the X app. This update makes it really simple to keep things private and ensures only you can see the details when you unlock your phone. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is go straight into your phone's main settings menu. This is where all the essential controls for your apps and notifications are stored. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps and tap on it. Next, locate the X app within your list of installed applications and select it. This will open up all the options and permissions specifically for that app. Once inside, you'll see a choice called Notifications. Go ahead and tap on that to access all of the alert settings. Within the notification settings, you'll find something called Notification Categories. This is where the app divides different types of alerts for you to control individually. Tap into this section, and from here, you'll see an option labeled Live Spaces. Choose that to focus specifically on notifications related to Live Spaces. Now that you're inside the Live Spaces notification area, look for the option that says Lock Screen. This is the setting that determines how much information shows up when a notification appears without unlocking your device. Once you open it, you'll see several choices. Select Hide Content, and you're done. From now on, whenever the X app sends you a Live Spaces notification, you'll still get the alert, but the content itself will be hidden until you unlock your phone. This is a great way to maintain privacy, especially if you get a lot of notifications throughout the day, or if you don't want others reading over your shoulder. And that's it. Just a few quick steps in your settings, and you have full control over how your Live Spaces notifications appear. If you found this helpful, take a moment to apply the changes right now, so you can enjoy the added peace of mind moving forward. Thanks for watching.